Hello students, let's start. Class 4, subject EVS, chapter 11. Chapter name Shelter for All. Topic House. Today we are going to start the new chapter. Chapter name Chapter for All. Topic House. House. When you will listen this word, I am sure one image will comes in your mind. And the image which comes, that is the house. So simple. Because it is the nature of the human beings. Whatever they think, whatever they listen, it comes directly in their mind, and our mind makes an image of that things. A house is a building in which a family lives together in comfort. House is a building, a particular structure in which a family, a group of people which have the blood relations, they live together in comfort. They all live together there at the same place with comfort. They feel very comfort there. They feel nothing type of tension, nothing type of hectic. They enjoy that place. They always like to be there. In the past, people lived in kacha houses. These are temporary shelters. All of you know that houses in which we live, we feel the comfort. We also feel very protect because we are safe in our house, and also we can keep our all the things. In earlier time, the houses mainly were made, it was kacha houses, and you know the kacha houses are made by the mainly plant materials like the mud, stick, wood, palm trees, leaves. These are the things which mainly used to make the kacha houses. These are temporary shelters. Kacha houses are temporary shelters because normally every year it should be made in a new way, because all the things are used that are natural things, that are the plant materials, and the plant materials day by day it gets decayed. So after every year they have to make it again. So these are the temporary shelters. These days most people live in pakka houses. These are permanent shelters. At present time, the maximum people are living in pakka houses. And all of you know, these are the permanent shelters. Because pakka houses are made with the help of bricks, stone, concrete, iron rod, glass. These are the things which can be safe for a long years, for a many years, near about 100 years. So these are the permanent shelters. At present, with the changing of the time, in the villages we can also find the pakka houses. Mainly the pakka houses found in the cities and the towns. But present with the development in houses, the pakka house, in villages houses are also available. Pakka houses are there. But still, many kacha houses are also present in the villages. Especially you can see the kacha houses in the villages and pakka houses in the cities and towns. Houses long ago. Now we will talk about the houses which was at the earlier times. In earlier days, the houses were made of wood, clay and stone. As I told you that mainly the kacha houses that were made by the plant materials. So in earlier days, normally the all houses were kacha houses. So that were made of wood, clay and stones. That are the natural things that can easily find in the nature. The houses had high ceilings and large windows to allow cross ventilation. It is the very big quality of that type of houses. That time ceilings were very high. Ceilings means roof. That was very high. The lot of height was of the houses. That time many large windows were made in the houses to allow cross ventilation. Cross ventilation means air is coming from that side and moving, passing the same way again side. The opposite side windows are made to do the cross ventilations, and window sizes was big. There were ventilators to allow the rising hot air to escape and cool air to enter and sink down in the room. That time the hot air rises up and the cool air sink down. Ventilators, they do this work. Hot air rises upside and goes outside of the house, and the cool air take in the room and goes down. Every house had a courtyard and spacious room. It is also the very big quality. Inside the house at the center there was a big space. That space is known as courtyard. And every room has is the spacious room. Many space was big space was inside the room. In earlier time, the kitchen was usually smoky and full of soot, as cow dung cakes and firewood were used as fuel. In earlier time, the kitchen was mainly the roofs and the walls color was blackish, and it was totally dotted because that time at the in the form of fuel the cow dung cakes and firewood were used. Cow dung cakes and firewood, these are the fuels that were being used that time, and in the both fuels while burning too much smokes generate, so these smokes make the black color of the walls and the roof. Earlier every wall had an alcove to put at an oil lamp or a lantern for lightening. That time every wall had a particular space in which the lamp or lantern can be placed. That time there was no electricity, so that time mainly the lantern was the source of the light in the night time. So every wall had a place where that lantern or the oil lamp can be placed. Meanwhile, water drainage and sewage system also progressed. As the time by time the electricity comes, many electrical appliances are being used, many other things are also being used. During this, the drainage system and the sewage system also progressed. Water drainage systems in which the water which is used in the houses that goes outside through the pipes, and the sewage systems in which the extract materials, the waste of the human body that comes out, that also sent out of the houses, that is the sewage system. In earlier days people mostly stayed in joint families, and so work was shared by all. It is a very important point and the very big property of that time of people. That time people mainly lived in the joint families, and since the joint families lot of members are there, so they share their all work. Their work can be done very easily because lot of people were there to share their work, and they also do mainly the work, the profession that was done by their ancestors. That time there was no need to search for the jobs. They had already a job by their parents. Whatever works their parents do, they also do it continue. So these were the points about the shelter. It's enough for today. Thank you.